Let me wear orange one time.
Let me wear orange one time. Everybody's falling down like London Bridge.
Take in this blue. Chef's kiss. Love it. I don't know. I just kind of went crazy with graphic tees. I don't know what it is, you know. Let me show you the one I'm actually really excited about. So it's the Basquiat graphic tee. Oh my gosh, look at how cute the graphic on this one is. Hi everyone, welcome back to my wardrobe. Yes, as you can see, I am not in my robe. It is a different format today, but in today's video, I thought I'd do a try on haul. I don't think I've done this before. So if it's not the right format, it is what it is, okay? It is what it is. I have a couple of pieces that I got myself, and I got a gifted package from Cause through this agency called, I believe, Zoe Agency. I think that's how you say it. Shout out to the girls for including me in this PR gifting. Listen, when you're a nano influencer, micro influencer, or teeny tiny influencer, sometimes the PR agency or whatever case may be, speaking for myself personally, don't necessarily look your way. But through this agency, I was able to be in spaces that I wouldn't even dream of being, especially someone that has a very tiny following count. And like, it's just so amazing where, you know, agencies like that include nano micro influencers in the spaces so that they don't, you know, they don't feel invisible. Sometimes for you to continue on to grow, you want to make sure you're connecting with people, and to connect with people in this sort of industry, you want to go to events. You want to get invited to events so that you can speak to people, speak to influencers that are just have a bit more than you, and just sort of gain knowledge from them. So shout out to the girls for continue to invite me to PR events, sending me gifted items. I do appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, thank you, girls. So let's get into it. Okay, this is all of the boxes I have. I have a couple here. I did low-key, high-key open one of them just to, you know, just to see what's what. So let's get into it. Let's get into this video. Oh my gosh. There's a little note from Cause. Let me read this, okay? I hope you love these Cause spring and summer 2023 items, and that they become a staple in your wardrobe this summer. Can't wait to see how you style them. With love, Cause team. Oh, so good. There are about 4 items. I can't even count. There are about 4 items in here, so I'm going to be just showing you individually and then just trying them on and then show you how it looks on my body. All right, let's get into the first one. This is the first item that I got. It's kind of similar to what I'm wearing here. It is a crop style. I like how they just slightly attach this here so that you can actually just take it off if you don't want that option, or if you want to be able to wear this crop top in this winter time, you can then just put it back on. So I will definitely be doing those 2 things here. And then on the inside, it has another layer of fabric as well. You notice here, it looks more of like a bra, bustier style on the inside, just to give you that extra support. You can style it so many different ways. You can wear Bermuda shorts with this. That is really high-waisted. You can wear it with jeans. I will probably wear it with more of a straight leg jeans or more of a wide leg jeans, or a high-waisted wide leg pants. Let's move on to the second item. That orange though. Let me wear orange one time.
Let me wear orange one time. Everybody's falling down like London Bridge.
I've been really obsessed with a lot of like off the shoulder, and it's the reason why when I saw this, I said I have to have it. The size is not my size, but you know what, we will make it work. Okay, we'll make it work. I'll probably have to go to the tailor and get it tailored, and it would snatch me in the right places. It is also asymmetrical. If you can see here, it's flowy, it's breathable, it is perfect for the summer. It is not sticking to my body. One thing that I love about this, guess what? Guess what I love about this? Put it down in the comments if you know what it is. Yeah, you've already put it down in the comments? You've already done it? Okay, time's up. This has pockets, okay? Give me a dress with a pocket, and I'm just like, yes, let's get into it. I will give it a try, and I will show you how it looks like on me. Okay, so I know, yeah, you can see the black. I just decided to wear it on top of this because it was already one shoulder anyways. So ignore this part. Just ignore. Picture it without this, okay? Picture it without the side. You don't even have to do too much with this dress here because it's it's already doing a lot. It's orange. It has shapes and movement, so there is no need to do too much to this dress itself. You can just wear your good old sandals, dress it up, maybe wear like a chunky jewelry or a nice big sunglasses, just to really exaggerate the actual outfit in itself. Take in this blue. Let's take a moment. Let's take a moment for this dress. Take in this blue. Let me come a little closer. Do you take in this blue? Just look at this. Chef's kiss. Love it. This is a alter neck midi dress. I do really love the color on me. It also has here pockets as well. I just love me a good pocket. Imagine walking around, you're like, hey, let me pose. Let me put my hands in my little pocket. Let me give a moment. Let me give a moment. This is what this moment is giving. Give me a pocket situation. Give me a beautiful dress, and I am sold. Okay. It's so funny. It's the exact same way that I dress it, but it was wearing a chubby hoop earring just like this. A big framed sunglasses, which I always say it just makes an outfit. And then yeah, she would just accessorize around it, and that's done. You can honestly do it exactly how she does it, or dress it how you feel comfortable and you feel like it suits your personal style. But damn, this is a dress, okay? It's a dress. Like this summer, I've been the summer of showing off my shoulders, okay? I saw this tube top as well, and I said, okay, we have to have this. This is the best top that you could just dress up, dress down, layer on top of it. It just works. If you don't have shape like just like me, you know, I don't got no hourglass figure. I love how it just sort of slightly curves in on the side there, and it just sort of helps you create that hourglass look, and it just goes right back down regularly as well. I also love the texture on these as well. If you want your wardrobe to just feel a lot more rounded, always add pieces that has a bit more texture. Texture really works to help break up the outfit a little bit more. So on the outside, yes, there's a bit of texture, but on the inside it is nice and smooth. So that's pretty much all of the cost pieces, including this little number over here. I am going to be dressing it up. So in my video, so stay tuned for that. If you've not seen my video yet, go ahead and give it a watch, give it a like, give it a comment, give it a subscribe, because I will be going in and dressing the individual pieces. Let's move on to Uniqlo. I'm not going to be doing a try and all for this because it's just a shirt that's in here. They're both graphic tee. I will be doing a video featuring both of this graphic tee, so I will be styling it from head to toe. So just watch out for that video because that video will be coming very soon. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So the first one,
Today. Oh my God, what is that?
I didn't know there was something in here. 1 second. Let me show you the one I'm actually really excited about. So it's the Basquiat graphic tee. If you are looking for a Basquiat graphic tee like this, check Uniqlo. They actually have if I remember clearly, they have quite a few designs as well. I just like this one a bit more because it still has the graphic on it, but it's just a little bit more subtle. It is unisex. There's not a male or female. So when it comes to graphic tee, I don't really care if it's from the men's section or from the women's section. As long as I like what I'm seeing in terms of the graphic itself, and it's, you know, it's calling my name, it's definitely a buy for me. I do love the material on these. It's very nice. It feels very nice and soft. The embroidery on here also feels nice and thick. Like, I can't believe I got this. I think I got this for like maybe like $19 or something. Let me check the price. So this one was $25.90. But the material is just very nice. Like, it's a nice thick cotton material. Oh my gosh, look at how cute the graphic on this one is. It says you got a friend in me, and then there's quite a few characters on here, and I thought it was just so adorable. Typically I don't like to have something here in the back, but I just thought it was so cute. So if you see here, it says here you got a friend in me. Also at the back, it's it's cute. I was looking for a graphic tee that was leaning, in terms of color, it was leaning towards green. So when I saw this on the Uniqlo website, it has those green that I was looking for. So I said, okay, you know what, I'm gonna go with this one. And this one was $19, which wasn't bad again, and the material is nice. But it feels nice. It feels nice on the skin, I'm not gonna lie. So that is Uniqlo. Now let's move on to Abercrombie and Fitch. Now Abercrombie and Fitch, I don't think I've ever shopped there before. I saw a couple of like basics that I needed. My friend came over the other day and she was like, oh, do you have just a plain black shirt? And I thought, oh, I actually don't have a lot. I think I have like just one or maybe two, but I don't have a lot. So if I were to give it to her, I would have been like one short. So I thought, you know what, let me get one more. Pretty much like, you know what, for my friend, but also for me, like in case like my friend come here, you know, they like look at my stuff and like try my stuff on. And I don't, honestly, clothes is clothes. Like I don't mind giving clothes away at all. Like I'm not attached to pieces. Like there's a couple of key pieces I would keep for myself, but when it comes to just clothes in general, like yeah, go ahead, borrow, figure it out, bring it back to me, don't bring it back, like it's okay. When I went into Abercrombie and Fitch, I was just looking for basics that I could just add to my wardrobe. Okay, I have opened it up like I mentioned before in my video because I was kind of like excited to see, you know, the pieces that I got, and it's also my first time ordering from them. But yes, so let's go in. I have a couple, so I'm gonna quickly go through this one. Oh, okay, so there is about just 4 pieces. So I'm gonna start with the very first one that's at the very top. I don't know, I just kind of went crazy with graphic tees. I don't know what it is, you know. You should always have a couple of graphic tees. It doesn't matter if they're in style or not in style. They just make your outfit feel more playful. It just feels like, okay, she's a vibe. I can rock with her. I love her graphic tee. And it's also a nice conversation piece, okay? This one I got, it says, let me see, it says Cafe Italy. It literally just says Cafe Italia, and I liked it because I like the brown. I have this like dark brown pants. If you watch my how to style your brown pants video, it was the very first video I posted, you would notice I have a dark brown pants on, and I thought, oh, I need a graphic tee that matches the color scheme of that pants. So let's move on to the next one. Oh, and then this one was a extra small. So like when it comes to tops, I can literally go, or when it comes to just pieces in my closet, depending on what I want, I could go from an extra small if I'm really pushing it, and then I would go for like a large or a medium, because sometimes I want my clothes to be a little bit more oversized. So sometimes I do that. Then I decided to go, this was on sale though. I wasn't quite sure about this button-up shirt, but I just thought it was so cool because my button-up shirt are always one tone. And then I saw this, it was on sale, and I thought, oh, no one really wants this style of button-up shirt. So I thought, you know what, I don't mind how this actually looks like. I like the different patch. It's not the same patches, so I like that. So I thought that's very interesting. So I could always dress this up or dress it down however I like it. It is a size small, but it feels a bit more oversized. I think it might be an oversized button-down shirt, but I do like the different patch on here. So if you're looking for something similar like this, check Abercrombie and Fitch because they have something like that. And I think it's also on sale. Stores now are doing their end of summer sale. So if you're that girl that likes to shop for, that's like just like me, I like to shop for summer for next year. So I will go in and see what stores have sales going on right now, and I'll buy a couple of pieces for next summer. So yeah, that's how I do it. I love me a good button-up shirt. If you know, in my Jennifer Lawrence video, I say you can either wear it one way or wear it the other way. You can open it up and like sort of like layer with it, or you can wear it as it is and just wear like just pants or jeans with that outfit. But yes, this is how it is. It is a nice quality material as well. It's not bad. It's not a bad quality. I like it. Okay, so this is a plain black tee because like I mentioned before, I had a couple of plain black tee, but not enough where if my friend wanted to borrow one, I could not give that away. So I thought, let me add another one here to my collection. This is nice and stretchy. I love the stretch with this. It just kind of like bounce back, which I really love. I think it is, oh, it's made in Guatemala. Oh, that's different. Okay, cool. Yeah, so I like this. It's more of a baby tee. That's why I got this here, because I wanted, a couple of my tees are quite oversized, so I wanted something that just fits me, and it's more of a like a baby tee style. So this is how this is. It's a plain black tee. Nothing, no graphic on this one, and the material feels nice and soft. Like I feel like I just want to rub it all over my skin. Ooh, okay, I love it. I got this right here. Okay, I saw this. I thought it was so cute just to have. Again, I like to have basics to help me build my outfit. So like I could start with this, and by the time I'm done, like I have like a whole new outfit. I have like a whole new outfit. So I like basics like this. I wanted to just get this here because I have a lot of racer back tank tops, but I don't have something like this. So I thought this would be nice and cute to have. I could wear this with jeans, or I could even do a monochromatic outfit, and I wear like a gray pants or a gray bottom or gray shorts with this right here. So there'll be multiple videos featuring all of these pieces as well. But yeah, that is it for me. I'm not going to do a whole lot of try on haul. You might see maybe one or two there if I buy something, or if I'm gifted items for PR purposes. You will see it featured on my YouTube channel, but not quite a lot, not a lot. But I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and until then, before you leave, do not forget to smash the subscribe button. All right, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.